In this video, I'll show you how to monetize your Facebook page and start earning money. Let's get started. First, open Facebook and tap on the three lines in the top corner. Then tap on Pages. Now choose the page you want to monetize and tap on Switch. Once you're on your page, tap the three lines again and find the Professional Dashboard. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, scroll at the top and tap on Monetization. This is where you'll see all the ways you can earn money. At the top, you'll find options like partnership ads and other features. If you're not eligible yet, don't worry, you may unlock them soon. First, there's stars. This allows your followers to support you by sending stars and virtual gifts. Next, you have ads on Reels, where you can earn money from your well-performing short videos. There's also bonuses, where Facebook pays you for creating engaging and high-performing content. And finally, in-stream ads, which let you earn money by placing ads within your videos. If you're not eligible yet, don't worry. Just stay consistent, keep posting valuable content, and you'll unlock these monetization features over time. And that's it. That's how you can monetize your Facebook page and start earning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.